Remember that really big rock? When I was clearing brush and I was burning brush, I was able to peel the top of it off. The engineer called it, he said it's about the size of a Buick. It's around here somewhere, and I'm really hoping I'm not hitting it right now trying to dig these sonotubes with the deck. I don't know, I still got to pick at this. There's still some rock there, but yeah, it might have broken off that piece. But we'll see. I mean, I'm just going to bury, I'm going to dig a pit right there, right where the machine is. And that's going to be my burn pit. And I'm going to bury that rock in it. Because the deck's only going to come out to, this is the back of the house right here. So let's say we build a 16-foot deck. I think we have calls for 12 foot wide maybe. But let's go 16. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. So it still could be, if I can't move that, well, up here is, the point is that up here, it's just going to be long, so nothing going up here. Wells over there. So I'll dig a nice big pit here, and we'll burn in there. So I'm thrilled. Rock's 10 feet long. Hey, I hit it dead nut. Check it out. Right here.
Is the stone right there?
This, from here to here,
Yeah.
is the same stone.
All right.
That's about 2 feet.
How much?
2 feet.
2 feet. What's that? Well, I don't know. Maybe like. Just got to clean up the top of it,
Yeah.
and you got to anchor it.
Yeah, pin it.
You gotta go on an angle. Break the rock.
All right, that was 1/2 inch. Now we're doing 3/4 inch.
That went in pretty good. Normally you sit there
Brand
with
new bit.
1/4, 1/2 inch. Well, that's
Uh-oh.
it didn't lock. We'll pull the button. There it goes. Proper. Now I'm going to go. Very nice. That's it. Oh, they don't have to go crazy. They just have to lock in.
Yeah, they just got it locked.
They're not going anywhere.
We're good. Lock the concrete to the rock.
Yep, that's all there is to it.
Okay, so it's pour day. Today we're going to try to get these sonotubes filled. You saw us putting in for the decks, the rear deck, the front porch, and the side step. And you have to order a minimum of 4 yards of concrete because unfortunately our local mobile mix place that will make up any amount you want is not open for another week. So I had to get 4 yards. I only needed 2 for the tubes. So I decided to go ahead and pour that pad for the sawmill, and then one for a generator pad, and then one for, we might have a little outdoor shower. Just pour a little 4x4 pad for that, and also another one for the firewood crate next to the deck. I decided we're going to put the wood next to the deck on a little pad, and then it'll keep all the mess off the deck. So I'm waiting for Don to get here. We're going to set the grades on the sonotubes and square up the little pad forms. We built everything yesterday. We just got to do final prep, and then concrete's supposed to be here in a couple hours, I guess late morning. It's about 8 o'clock right now. It's misty. It rained overnight, so what that means is that there's a lot of mud.
Oh, I know, I'm a little high on that one.
Alright, while we clean this up, Steve,
Yeah.
would you like to go set those pins before the concrete gets too hot?
Oh yeah.
There's a lot of pads around this house.
Right?
So we started out with this pad here and a little 3-foot by 3-foot pad there.
Yeah. Then what happened?
All right. Well, it's gonna get hot as hell.
Then the mobile mix was closed, so we had to get 4 yards.
See, I don't normally broom the part you just smoothed out real nice.
Well, underneath?
No, I usually start right at that edge that you just made with the edger.
Yeah.
3 inches in, and then pull the broom and stop it. But that's what you.
Oh, so you see that?
Yes, you can actually see it when you're done. But it doesn't really matter.
Yeah. Okay. Boy, that's hard work, concrete, I tell you. Every time I do it, I say, I'm not doing this again. And then, but check this out. This is the pad for the sawmill. I ended up going 20 feet long and, what is it, 5 feet wide. So the sawmill will sit on the back edge there, and that'll give me something to stand on while you're pushing the saw head down. That way, load it from this side. So, pretty happy with that. We did that one. Take you up to the next one. We had a little extra concrete after we poured all the other pads. I'll show you in a minute. You saw us finishing. So rather than waste the concrete, the guys, Don and Nick, quickly formed up a little form here on the outside of the double door here in the basement. And we got a nice 7 foot wide by 8 foot long pad here. So that'll be good. You saw me doing the broom finish. It's perfect. All right, let me take you up here. This pad here will be for my wood crates. So I'll be able to come in here with the tractor, come right here, set the crate right on there, and the edge of the deck is right here. So it'll be right off of the deck. We got the 6 sonotubes done for the deck. So those are good. This one over here is for our outdoor shower. It's going to be right here. We got this one here on the side door. See the little ledger board right here? There'll be a deck off of that. It's on 4x4s. And then it will have one step down to the concrete, and then off you go. This one over here is for the generator, and the electrical panel is right on the other side of this wall, so we won't have to go very far with wire to get the generator wired up. We went with 4x5 because that's what Don had done before at another job, and then we did this little one. Oh, we did the 2. Did I show you those yet? 2 sonotubes out here in the front of the building for the deck that's going to go on there for the front entrance. Again, there'll be a deck there, 3 or 4 steps down to a walkway, and then there'll be 2 posts, and there'll be a roof up there covering that entrance, the front entrance. So, little porch on the front of the house, and then the last bit of concrete. Check out the mud. Hello. I got a load of stone coming. We're going to put plastic and stone in that area under the back deck so that the weeds don't grow up. So yeah, this little pad right here for the entrance to the barn is the last one. So it was a great day. Concrete was a little late, but we got some other stuff done. We got that, let me show you this. We got that grading bucket put together, got the cutting edge on it for the excavator. And we got the we got it put on the machine. So this is the grading bucket, 3 foot bucket, nice new cutting edge. So I'll tell you, this system Kubota has, you know, you just pull this, push the pin out, lift it up, put your new bucket on. Here's the digging bucket that I've been using. That's 2 foot wide. That's 3 foot wide. So, all right, that's it. That's going to wrap this one up. Got our concrete. Next week we can build these decks and get most of the siding finished up that we can do from the ground, and then after that it's going to be the plumber hopefully will be starting. He was supposed to start yesterday, but he had an emergency, so he should be starting, and hopefully we'll get the material for the metal roof next week. And then at that point I got to get the forklift back, the telehandler back, to get up on the roof and to finish the high points of the siding. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time from White Pine Woods.